guys, so I'm coming at you guys with my summer 5 minutes or slightly 7-minute foundation routine for glowy skin. I'm gonna jump right into it. My face is nice and moisturized, but then I go ahead and add this product right here. Please disregard my nails because my nails look crazy, but I go ahead and I add this Glam Glow. It's pretty much a moisturizer, but it has like a glowy effect in it. Since I don't prime my face, my moisturizer is my primer. So I over moisturize my face and it keeps my makeup intact and looking non-dry or flaky. If you're not into the dewy look, then like, this is not for you, okay? But I like dewy skin. I like skin to look like skin. Today I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me and the colors Toffee and Coconut. And I have to mix the two because I just got back from vacation, so I'm much darker than I usually am. So I'm gonna use a little bit more of the 355 Coconut. And this is full coverage, so you don't need a lot of this foundation. I use pretty much one full pump of the darker color and then about a half of the lighter one. And you could adjust as you go. I'm just mixing on my little palette, which is my hand. And then I just check the color like that. I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. And I always prefer that my foundation is a little bit darker because if it is, you could always lighten your face back up with your concealer. But if your face is too light, it looks a lot worse trying to even it back out because you can get bounce back. Nobody wants bounce back when someone takes a picture of you. No one. So now I just use my beauty blender and I just blend this out. As you can see, this stuff blends out super easy, especially when your face is super moisturized. So just blending this out. Make sure you get under your neck. Major key, okay? Now I'm just gonna do a slight contour. So I'm gonna use my Anastasia contour kit and I will be using this middle color right here. I know it looks scary, but just trust me. That's it. Then I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna go in with some concealer. Right now, one of my favorites is the Milani, and I use the color Honey. I'm gonna apply that under my eyes. And in between my brows. And down the bridge of my nose. Blend that out on my forehead first. And I drag the concealer up and down to blend in with the rest of everything and around my mustache area, just so there's no line of demarcation. Alright, so when you get your desired coverage, I'm just gonna take some Banana Banai powder, apply a layer of that, and I focus on my crease because I do crease, so I make sure I pat this powder in so that I don't crease throughout the day, and let me tell you, it works. I work this powder in almost until you can't see it, and then I apply a little bit down the bridge of my nose, a little in between my brows, basically wherever I put the concealer. Actually, I do not bake, I just put it on and then pack that powder in. Boom. Now I'm just gonna do my brows really quick and I'll be right back. There's definitely a tutorial for my brows, so stay tuned for that. So now I'm just going to take some mascara of choice, whatever one I grab, which is now Too Faced Better Than Sex. I'm going to apply some mascara on the top and bottom. I'm just gonna apply this lip gloss from Beauty by Pop Sugar, Lucky Star. So just for a little glow or whatever, I'm going in with ColourPop in the color Candyman. And I'm not gonna go crazy because we're going for a very nude look. So just a little bit like that on my nose, a swipe on my cheek, like this. And literally, it's very subtle. It's just for a little glow. As you get dewier throughout the day, it will look more glistening and it'll look like a natural glow. So you could definitely leave your face like so, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on because I got baby lashes and ugh. All right, then I'm just gonna take some all-nighter spray by Urban Decay and just set my face. And boom, that is it. That is my Drugstore summertime fine makeup in under 10 minutes. So yeah, I'll see you later. Deuces.